G'day guys, my name's Dan. I'm one of the fabricators at Torqit Performance here in Newcastle, and today we're going to show you just how easy it is to bolt one of our exhaust systems together at home. They all literally bolt together, and you can do it in your own driveway. The first step is to put WD-40 on all the nuts and bolts and let that soak in for a good half an hour, and then if you don't have to jack it up, just slide straight under and start removing the original exhaust system. Today we're going to get Ben to slide under this Amarok and pull it off. We'll do a time lapse and you'll be able to see how easy it is. So that's the hard part done. As you can see, it's not a very difficult task. It took Ben about 10 minutes. He did use the little Milwaukee rattle gun though, but it's about half an hour if you use only your basic hand tools at home. Check out the difference between the factory system and our 3.5-inch stainless Torqit system. So now you have your factory system removed, it's time to install your Torqit Performance exhaust. Installation is the opposite of removal. All we've got to do is start at the front and work our way backwards. Once we get all the bolts finger tight, we're going to get in there at the front, align everything, make sure the rubbers are in the right spot, and it's fitting on there perfect without touching anything, with plenty of clearance, and then just lift the bolts up as tight as you can. Ben's just finished putting the Torqit Performance exhaust system on there, so it's all ready to go for a drive. It took him about 15 minutes. Again, he used the little rattle gun. It takes about half an hour with just basic hand tools, and that's it. Now for the fun part.